Welcome back to ninth class English. The name of the story is
Trunk of Ganesh.
The Trunk of Ganesh. Govinda Mahana was
Idol.
was a well-known idol maker. He used to make excellent idols of Durga, Ganesha, Shiva, Saraswati, etc. He spent all his life in making the images and earned his livelihood. Once it happened, maybe his bad luck or something. Once it happened, every time he mended the trunk of the Ganesh image Ganesha, it broke. Though Govinda Mahana was an expert and experienced image maker, he could not understand why the trunk of the image broke. He could not understand whether the clay matti used for the statue was not okay, or that was not so. He used the same clay or the same components of the clay he had used previously. So when the trunk of the image broke in continuously, he calculated different reasons. He also thought that it was a bad omen, bad sign. Maybe. Otherwise, it would not have happened. ଏମିତି ହେଇନଥାନ୍ତା. Look at your book, paragraph of the image. I am starting from the sketch. I am starting from where we have left. The image now appeared as clean and smooth as a manicure. Manicure means
ଲୁଗାପଟା ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶନ ପାଇଁ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି।
right. You might have seen in cloth stores, in towns and malls, statues are there with new clothes to attract the customers, to create an impression in the mind of the customers. So it was as fascinating, attractive, smooth and clean as a mannequin. There were no traces of the recurring disaster. This time, after mending the ideal, after repairing the ideal, Govinda Mahana was sure that there is no sign of any happening of disaster or destruction of the or breaking of the Ganesh trunk this time. So here trace means चिन्ह लक्षण ହେଇପାରେ of the recurring means ପୁନଃ ପୌନିକ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଯୋଉଟା ଆସୁଥାଏ रिकरिंग डिजास्टर जो बारंबार विपद विपर्ययटा आसुला सेटा न आसबार साइन अनेक थिला देयर वाज नो साइन बा चिन्ह नथिला आउ आसीबोली चिन्ह नथिला लेट्स सी whether the trunk was broken again or not, whether his belief came true or not. The possibility of a gust of wind, gust of wind, you know, पवन gust बेले पवन रो एक दलका. So the possibility of a gust of wind breaking the image was too remote. It's unbelievable. The trunk was made in such a manner that a gust of wind cannot break it. Bhangi paribo? Nahi. There is no chance. Remote means dura. Remote controller, you know. We have a remote, taku ame duraru, we control from a distance, so it is called a remote controller. Govinda thought, there is no chance of wind to break the trunk this time. But the image had been placed very close to the open window. It was placed very close to the open window. Only a meter away. That was the distance was just a meter away. He had shifted the image himself. Who? Govinda himself shifted it to that place. Deliberately, that too knowingly, jani suni. Deliberately, in order that more light would be available for his work. So that he, Govinda Mana, had knowingly shifted that image close to the window so that Govinda Mana would get sufficient light to work. And the wet clay would dry up sooner. Dry up means sukhiala. What would dry up sooner? Wet clay, oda mati. Facing the draught of window. The portion that was facing towards window dried up sooner. जोटा सेकानी झरका को मुह करितिला जल्दी सुखीगला यू नो ड्यू टू विंड राइट बट that the wind could be a destroyer had never entered his mind. He had never thought that se kebe bhabi natila the wind would be a destroyer. Gote dhonsakari boli bhabi natila. He had thought that wind helped him. Right? He decided not the wind, it seems impossible. Okay, now let's move to the next paragraph. We sit up tonight. What did I say?
Sit up tonight.
Right. Who said it? We don't know. Let's know who said it. He told his son with an air of finality. He told his son that today we will sit on and watch and believe. Try to understand actually what was going on. How the trunk of Ganesh was broken. This was his final decision. Who said whom? Govindamana said to his son. He looked around the room. So 1 minute. That is the only way we will even learn what is happening. He told. And this is the only way we can understand actually what is happening. Govinda Mayana said it to his son. Here, eight bhaiya. Yes, here. Here. Which way would the intruder come? ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଅଜଣା ଲୋକଟା ଅଜଣା ସତ୍ତାଟା ବା ଘର ପଶା ଦାଟ ଘର ପଶା which way would the intruder come? କେଉଁ ରାସ୍ତାରେ? yes here ଏଇଟା ନହେଲେ ଏଇଟା ଏ ଘର ପଶା ଏପଟ ଦେଇକିରି ଆସୁଛି yes here which way ଆସୁଛି କେଉଁ ରାସ୍ତା ଦେଇ ଆସେ? he looked round the room and pointed to a dark corner. Who? The son looked round the room and pointed at a dark corner. Who pointed at a son? Corner farther away, it was a little away, about 3 meters from the window, and the dark corner was 3 meters from the window. The distance that would be just the right spot for us to keep watch. Father, this is the spot, we must watch it, and this is the possible way for the intruder. Unnoticed, and that too unnoticed. If the intruder or ghara pasa says he would not come, so we should be unnoticed, right? We will watch it unnoticed. You can observe the door, the window, and the image at the same time from there, right? Right, Father, suppose it is the only way for us, right Father? I suppose ମୋତେ ଜଣା ପଡ଼ୁଛି it is the only way for us. So the plan was agreed upon. Both of them agreed. The plan was agreed upon for the night. Govinda, who usually had his evening meal quite late. Actually, every day Govinda had his evening meal quite late. He should eat at 9, means he used to eat 11 or 12 at night. 11 or 12 o'clock at night. So he made quite late, decided to have it early. On that day, he took his night meal very early. Who? Govinda. Along with his youngest son. Both father and the youngest son had their meal, particularly on that day, very early. The hours passed. घंटा बीतीगला. A light drizzle came. Drizzle माने झिपी झिपी वर्षा. Light drizzle came when which lasted only for a couple of minutes. Light drizzle means झिपी झिपी वर्षा हला. Light drizzle, it is not aloko varsha. A light drizzle came. There was a light drizzle and it continued lasted only for a couple of minutes. 2-3 minutes ପାଇଁ. The night appeared darker to both father and son. And the night got darker and darker. And it appeared darker to both father and son. The darkness denser as they took up their prearranged position in the corner of the workmen. when it became darker, both of them got ready. They set on their pre-arranged aguru bandobasta ide jogadita pre-arranged position in the corner of the workroom karmashala, right? Who set? Both the father and son. Dark denser means denser gabhiro hala, ondara adhika hala. At first they found it difficult to distinguish one object from another. In the darkness, it was so dark that they could not make any difference. That means distinguish means different. Ka bhitara tafat bari parle nahi. Who? Both of them could not make any difference between one thing and the other. But soon the darkness emptied itself again. Sunya agala, darkness emptied again. The image of Ganesha stood as they had left. The image of Ganesha was in the same position, unaffected, right? As usual condition, right? The image of Ganesha stood as they had left it earlier in the afternoon. It was as it was in the afternoon. अपराह्न जिमेदी थिला एबे भी कंडीशन सेम, नो चेंज. Apparently unperturbed, अविचलित and dominant. Probable, dominant means what?
Asthana dharma.
No, dominant. Dandayamana, that is stood means Dandayamana. You are a 10th class student. You are telling one thing for the other. Asthana jamai rakhiba. Dominate means, right? So somehow the ideal appeared to have grown in size in the darkness. But it looked as if grown up. Take body aitla, right? We discussed some paragraphs of the story, the trunk of Ganesh. We will have the next paragraphs. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.